Okay, this is how to export from within the Mag Members FileMaker database, and this is using WebDirect. Okay, so when we're on WebDirect, we can click on export all details or export all except financial. I'm going to do this one. So we just hit this button, and it gives us this. We just do export, and then we get two messages here. One overlaid the other. Unfortunately, I can't sort of make this move a different place, so it goes right over the top. But basically, it's giving you instructions on what I'm about to show you how to do. So we can just do OK on here. And here we're going to click on this. This is the file, export emagexport.mer. I'm going to save it to my desktop. And this is one, so let's do that. Okay, so this is one I've done earlier, so let's do this. This is now downloading. It's downloaded. Let's close this. So now if we open up Excel, don't want to click on that file directly because Excel won't open it correctly. So we have to go within Excel and then open. Let's go to find the desktop. So now I'm going to navigate to that file. So here we are on my desktop, and this is the one here, so it's selected. Yeah, and if it doesn't show up, you make sure you've got this all files here instead of, it might be just all Excel, but just make sure you've got all files open. Okay, so I do open now. And it's going to ask me delimited, yes, and here we need to tick this, my data has headers. Then go on to next. And this is actually a comma separated, so that's the delimiter, and that's all you need to do. So now when I do finish, it will open up and it will have all of our headings there. So this is a really good way of basically opening up files and with headers, because otherwise if we do it at CSV we don't get headers. So there we are. Okay.